All right, we are coming into Fiesta Island here in San Diego, California. I'm going to be meeting up with someone here. Actually met them here, geez, quite a few years ago. I think it's been about 5 years. My first appearance on YouTube was not in a video of mine. Actually, this person interviewed me when we were down here. First time we met up. It's kind of how I got my start on YouTube. We've seen each other around the country at various times throughout the years at different seasonal jobs and that. So it'll be good to meet up again. It's been a clear and sunny day, but the clouds are kind of coming in. Hopefully we'll keep the sunshine here. Find a nice spot. I'm down here a little early, so I'm going to get in touch and see if they're going to be heading down soon. We'll check in a little bit. All right, well, I ended up moving to the other side of the island here, just a better sunset view over here, and the mystery meetup person has showed up. I'm gonna say hey to James from Wanderlust Estate.
Guys? How's it going?
Some of you guys may know James, and like I mentioned, he did an interview with me. Geez, it's been over 5 years ago. We met up down here on your first kind of van trip, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It was my very first van trip in my green conversion van, and Brian here was an absolutely fantastic host. I put out a thing. I wanted to meet people. He was like, hey man, and he showed me around, introduced me to the Christmas Van Man, showed me a few spots here in San Diego. It kind of come to be a popular place for me to come work now.
Nice. So you're down here for a job opportunity. Yep. Cool.
Yep.
Right on. And I was down here for family, so gave us a chance to hang out. We were thinking the last time I think that we were hanging out was at Adventureland in Iowa at the amusement park. We both worked there, so yeah, it's been a little while, so we've been having a good time catching up. We got the charcoal grill going over here, trying to get it out of the wind. Got the coals heating up. They're just about ready. We're going to grill some chicken up. We got some stuff for a salad. Might cut up the chicken for tacos. We'll see. But the sun is going down here, so it's going to get dark on us probably before the food's ready. So we'll see how long we can make it out here. It's going to get cold when that sun goes down. So.
Yeah, it will, for sure.
Right on.
Nice seeing you guys.
Yeah.
And especially you guys that are always over on my channel.
Right. Yeah, I know you got a few. I know Shamay's always over there. Shamay's the best. Yeah, all right, guys. We'll check in a little bit here. All right, so the chicken is coming off the grill here. We got a little extra done on some of them, but they are cooked all the way through. I think I'm going to pull these off a little earlier. Looking good. We do have stuff for a salad, and we're kind of just thinking of just eating these as is. I might see what I got for some sauces, but these are looking pretty dang good.
I'd have to say so myself.
Yeah. Got the sun setting over here. It's actually already set. Not too spectacular, but nice spot to be. We've got some firewood left over here, so we might get a fire going here in a minute.
Gotta get a fire going.
Not a bad evening. Well, here we are. We got the fire going right at the water's edge here. Turned out to be a beautiful evening. Fire's helping keep things warm. Dinner was good. How was that chicken, James?
The chicken was good, man.
Nice.
You did a good job. I'll give you props.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you for bringing it, and good to see you again for sure, man.
Thank you. It's been a long time, man. It's been nice.
Cool.
Nice chat.
Okay, we are doing it. Happy New Year to everyone. It is 2020. I'm in San Diego, California right now on Interstate 8 heading eastbound. It's about 10 a.m. I'm going to head towards Yuma, Arizona. I am getting back on the road. Was back in San Diego visiting friends and family for the holidays. Tying up some loose ends here. It is time to ramble on. Away we go. Well, we managed to make it out of the city. We're still in San Diego County, up in the mountains here. just past Alpine, California, heading towards Pine Valley. There's a little viewpoint, Vista Point pull-off here that I usually like to stop at and just kind of do a walk around on the van as I'm getting back on the road here. So I'm going to make a stop there, continue on through the mountains and drop down into the desert. Feels good to be back on the road. I will say it never gets easier to leave San Diego when I visit my family. I'm very fortunate. I get along well with my family. We enjoy each other's company, and it is always difficult to leave there and say goodbye. I always get a little bit of anxiety and nervousness getting back on the road after a little bit of a break. So it feels good. It's like kind of starting out fresh all over again each time I come through here for the holiday season. So I'm super excited to be back on the road, looking forward to 2020. I think it's going to be an amazing year full of adventure. So this is our little viewpoint. I'll give you guys a look around. This is the Cleveland National Forest. We're up at about 3,000 feet right here. I think the summit up around here is around 4,500. So we'll pull over, check out the van. I like to kind of double check the fluids and everything. All right. Now here's a little look at the Vista Point here. It is a beautiful day today. I think it's supposed to be about 70 degrees, so for winter, pretty awesome. I think where I'm headed out into the desert, it's still going to be up in the high 60s and getting a little chilly at night, down in the low 40s, high 30s some nights. But again, feeling good to be back on the road. All right, let's get back on the interstate. Away we go. Alright, I'm pulling off at Interstate 8 here, just a little past Holtville, California. This is the Highway 115 exit. Going down here, they've got some BLM land here that's got a hot spring on it. It's free to access. And then you go underneath the overpass there, and there's some BLM land you can camp on for free up to 14 days. So even though I've only been on the road a couple hours, I think I'm going to kick off this New Year's with a soak in the hot spring and probably just camp down the road. It's only, geez, about 1:45 in the afternoon. I could keep on driving, but just going to take it easy, take it slow. So I'm probably going to go seek out a place to camp first and then come back to the hot spring, relax. Should make for a good night's sleep. Well, I'll give you a little glimpse of the camp here. This is it. Just posted up here. Clouds kind of rolled in. It's a nice little spot here. Got a little break from the wind, although the wind has kind of died down. It was windy on the drive here. But nice and calm and peaceful here, very quiet. I'm getting some food cooked up. Enjoying this freedom. Well, it looks like a beautiful day today. A little walk up the hillside here. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Clear blue skies, birds chirping. My little camp down there. It is really quiet and peaceful here. There are quite a few other people camped nearby me here. I can see off in the distance, but everyone is being really quiet. It's just super quiet and peaceful. Feels like I'm out here all alone. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. By the time this video posts, I'll have moved on to my next destination, which is in Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm camped at Skadden Wash, which is a BLM public land area where you can camp for up to a couple weeks. So I'll be camped out here. I will leave the GPS coordinates for my camp location in the video description of this video. There are a couple of other groups out here. This is the old RTR Rubber Tramp Rendezvous, which is kind of like a traveler nomad gathering out here in the desert. They do every winter. There is a new location for that gathering this year, but a lot of us that have attended in the past years are just camping in the old spot. That's what it's all about, is the community and the camping together and socializing, meeting new people, and exchanging ideas for traveling destinations and such. So it's a great opportunity to meet new people and see old friends you haven't seen for a while. So that's what I'm doing out here. Again, you are welcome to come out. I'm going to have a decent sized free pile. I'm giving away some old camping gear that I'm not using anymore, so you're welcome to come by my camp. Otherwise, I hope you are all doing very well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.